Hi everyone, I've got a fantastic opportunity today to show you this beautiful semi-detached property located on Leigh Road in Worsley. So starting at the front of the property, you can see that the property is sat on a very generous plot. We've got entrance to the front, driveway to the side, and a beautiful low maintenance garden here again, which wraps around. Absolutely beautiful. Show you the garden and the conservatory first. Got a great space here, nice private garden to the back. So we've got space for seating area here, we've got laid along grass there, nice and low maintenance and a very good size. You can see we've got a beautiful sunny day here and it's a sun-drenched garden. Then walking through, show you the conservatory. So we've got great space here, an additional reception room. This property has a living area, a kitchen diner, and then we've got this fantastic conservatory, which is an addition to the back of the property here. Then coming through the main door, we've got an entrance vestibule, which takes us through nicer into the property. So as we walk through, we have a downstairs toilet here, which is a nice size there. And then coming through to the front of the property, we've got our living area, which is nicely done. Again, it's nice and quiet from inside here. You can still see out and see the beautiful garden there to the front. So you've got a really great size here. And then here we have our kitchen dining room, which is a really lovely size again. So we've got an integrated fridge freezer, cooker, and then we've got room for a washer there as well. Loads of natural light. You've got the patio doors, conservatory there again to the rear, and another window there as well, bringing in lots of fantastic natural light. Property is double glazed and gas central heated throughout, and is in a fantastic area. Close to lots of fantastic transport links. So we've got one of our bedrooms here to the front of the property. Got some fitted wardrobes in there as well. Very nice size, and again, lots of natural light coming through. And then going over the landing, we've got our 3-piece bathroom suite here. So we've got a shower and a bath there. Very nice size. And then we've got our second bedroom here to the rear. You'll see that beautiful garden that we have and all the space we've got there. Property has a driveway for off-road parking. Beautiful low maintenance front and rear gardens. 2 very generous sized double bedrooms. 2 bathrooms, 2 reception rooms, and a fantastic kitchen diner. If you would like to arrange a viewing for this property, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.